Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Instagram Edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to click on subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, let's open our edits and after that, you will be needing just to choose the media or the clip that you want to crop. So let's go for these projects and here I have this image. It has these effects. So let's just remove all the effects and just stick to none so we can remove all these effects. Now we have this image here and then we want to uh, start zooming it in and zooming out so we can crop it depending on the layout or on your frame. Otherwise, you can start importing your images and I'm going to choose this one for example. And from here, as you can see, that's all you will be able to start using as a tool or way of editing images or your videos here in edits. So the next option that you can try to do is to go first to Instagram and from there start cropping your project or cropping your clips by going to the edit and then let's just click on done and from there we will find crop and basically you can start crop your project however you would like and then you can save it to your camera roll and then you will need just to have it into your save it as a draft or leave it in your camera roll and after that you will be able to go again to your edits and then here you will need just to add the cropped tool or the cropped video and then you can start working with it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.